awareness for referendum I'm even stop. Go ahead since February Venice. So you may remember lo February launching lo national referendum been happen. Straight after lo launching, Minister of Internal Affairs Honorable Johnny Konapo been lidim first team lo go out to start them all awareness lo islands blimi. So lo side lo awareness since February kasam today you may cover up some part lo Vanuatu Venice. Through lo all different rollout lo awareness we may make them. So we got first awareness with Minister of Internal Affairs, Honorable Minister of Internal Affairs and istap go out mo make them. I got all different rollouts too where all honorable members blimi lo parliament all been go out lo constituency lo kita lo conduct them awareness, and then you got communication team with istap. We have also put them out, plenty awareness through all information, especially voter information throughout all different platforms we are using. And as to date, you must have already put them out area council outreach. So outreach play ko taon lo wanwan area council and start ready to deploy next week. And as of next week, you may expect them half pro Vanuatu will receive him all awareness teams led by area administrators with them all nara officials all island mo province lo only go inside lo wanwan area council lo inform them people about referendum. One referendum, why na ba yung got referendum ya mo? How ba you have participate inside the referendum? So then the following week plan you may start move out lo all area councils, small islands where you may start target them all kita lo next week lo all naravla part lo country where you may no cover mabit. So by end of the following week you may should cover them up whole of Vanuatu or every area council you should receive him all awareness outreach teams or go out lo disseminate information, you go down low level low community mo village.